Requested by Sir Watkins.
Oh man, I cannot that the user named Nikolas makes Ernesto grounded out of him. HM. Oh, I got idea, I will make Ernesto ungrounded out of him. Yeah, that's a great idea. I will start.
I hope Nikolas stop making grounded out of me, and I hope Nikolas lose 25 subscribes. What did you say? I said I hope you lose your subscribes in your channel. And wait, how did you manage to use the Plotagon logic to my house? Duh, I just hear something, and I used the Plotagon logic. Plotagon logic.
What, Ernesto?
Did you just let Nikolas use the Plotagon logic? It doesn't make sense.
I don't know. I think the answer is yes.
Let's continue on video. Plotagon logic, take me back home.
Okay then.
Yay, evil chicken make ungrounded out of me. Yay. I will a nice comment in there. Huh. Did I just hear evil chicken make ungrounded out of you? Yes. That's it. I will call chicken about this.
Hey.
Oops. I think I got wrong number.
Correct. Get out.
Karen, you don't have to hang up so quickly. Hello, you are speak to chicken, so, how may I help you? So, evil chicken make ungrounded out of my son. My son doesn't deserve ungrounded, instead my son Ernesto deserve grounded. Okay, thanks, bye. Bye.
Oh no! I got 10 likes and 110 dislikes. Washington Wah.
Evil chicken, did you just make ungrounded out of Ernesto?
Yes I did. Ernesto doesn't deserve grounded, instead Ernesto deserve ungrounded.
Evil chicken, how dare you make ungrounded out of Ernesto? That's very dumb of you. That's it. You are grounded, 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 grounded for a month and 3 days. Go to your room right freaking now.
What's up?